What if the future of electric vehicle charging is already inside your car? ISO 15118 isn't just a standard, it's the digital handshake that lets your car talk securely to any charging station. No cards, no apps, no manual steps. Just plug in and go. This security protocol uses digital certificates, like digital ID, to verify that only authorized vehicles can charge. It's the same kind of trust used in online banking, but for your car. And it's all handled automatically. For fleet managers, this means no more lost cards or forgotten apps. Vehicles connect, authenticate, and start charging without any human input. It's seamless, secure, and scalable for hundreds of vehicles. But here's the catch. This system only works if certificate management is flawless. Every digital ID must be valid, up to date, and securely stored. If one fails, the whole charging session can be compromised. That's why operators need robust systems to issue, store, and revoke certificates. It's not just about tech, it's about trust. And trust is what makes large-scale EV infrastructure reliable. If you're managing charging infrastructure, now is the time to evaluate your certificate management strategy. Because the future of EV charging isn't just about power, it's about secure, smart, and seamless communication.